this food, it has been trending, and a lot of people have been asking me about it. And this is actually how it comes, as you can see. So come with me as I share this experience with you. This is rice. This is pure raw rice. Can you see? This is raw rice. Water. I guess this is meat. Then underneath you have this, and cutlery. That's all. See? So first we put the rice. You can clearly see this rice is raw rice. Yes. Pure raw rice. Then you put the vegetables. This is supposed to be vegetables. Hey, Chinko. Up till now, not going to use our eyes. See. There's a special water too. Yeah. And then I'm supposed to put this soup on the other side. Mad. Oh, wow. This is interesting. Then I'm supposed to stir. Make sure it's stirred well. I'm supposed to stir this one too. To stir this one too. Hey, this is getting interesting. Okay, and then you open this. I'm not supposed to touch this. I don't know how they want me to open it without touching it. But it is what it is. Hey, okay. And I'm supposed to put water to a certain level. Yep. And cover for 15 minutes. 15 minutes or and wait. Time starts now. Eh? Closer, come closer. Ma see the boil. Eh? 15 minutes don't start. Make sure they count now. This thing hot too. Guys, this thing is hot and it's almost 15 minutes. So let's just count down to 15 minutes and then we open this magic and we find out what in God's name are Chinese people doing. Hey, interesting times ahead. Some people This is what we call fast food. But I mean, if you are hungry, if you are very hungry, I don't think you can wait 15 minutes. Okay, time's up. Ladies and gentlemen, let's find out. Goodness me. This rice all swell up. First and foremost. Hey, see vegetable. You don't mean it. You get eggs. Lord have mercy. I have rice and stew. When I say what be the name of this man. Okay, let's taste it. This is hot. Officially, China is in 2055 because this rice is properly done and the sauce tastes good. Cheers, guys. I don't get dinner.